All right, I'm gonna try and see if I can't get this serpentine belt on with just using the equivalent of a rag. I've got the belt in place. I just replaced the tensioner and put a new belt on. So I'm gonna put a glove around it, a cloth glove. Let's see if I can't just pull myself up over and onto this thing. Okay. All right, so getting it off, similar. You just got a, equivalent of a rag. And putting it back on, what I did is I routed it, and then I put it, tied it up with a bungee cord to get it all in shape and made sure it was all fine. Let it sit there for a while to take that shape, and then just put the cloth underneath here and just sort of yanked it, as you saw. So sometimes you don't need tools for certain things, and in this case maybe that's the case, although you do have a 3/8 inch drive on the top of this new belt tensioner, so it wasn't like it was a hard job. On the bottom there's also a slot for a 3/8 inch drive. You don't need to use a tool on the Ford dual overhead cam anyway.